We are here at the BrewDog 2024 AGM. Are you ready to drink some beers?
Always.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Let's go find out what people are drinking.
A hazy Jane peach.
At Rocky Road, the new wingman.
I'm drinking the strawberry margarita.
We are out here at Dog Tap. It's popping off inside and we're trying the brand new Dog M and
Born to Die.
cheers. Yeah, too many good beers, too little time.
I'm worried.
Okay, we have snuck into the Vault City tasting and we've stolen a can of double deep fried Mars bar. And I can't wait to drink it.
So silly.
We've had a great day so far. We've had some beers.
Doing some Q&As.
I think it's time for some of this amazing food. Say the first thing that comes to your mind in 3, 2, 1. Cinnamon rolls. Oh, fuck. So we're here with Shot and Roll, slinging cinnamon buns all day long. How's it been?
Oh, it's been great. People love our gooey cinnamon rolls, fresh baked every morning. The iced ones have been really popular today, along with the Biscoff. Lots of great feedback from the punters here. Looks like it's been a great day.
I think I'll have a Biscoff, please.
We're at Meat Stack. I'm here with
Mike,
Jack Burgers.
I love burgers.
Which ones would you recommend?
Well, my breakfast of champions was a plucky this morning to start it off, because you know, you got to start off full on. But then a West Coast is our classic take on an American style cheeseburger, so can't miss either way really.
Health as well, so I guess we'll get both. Food acquired. Let's see.
We're at the Wonderland Cocktail tasting. Martin, how's it been going?
Really good. Yep. We've sold 3 so far.
Amazing. I've bought one.
Yep. But yeah, great. Wonderland Cocktails is our interpretation of bar strength cocktails, ready to drink for any moment. But the beauty of these is we use the spirits that we make to make the backbone of the cocktails.
You've been running the bar here today at Collab Fest. Oh, fuck, I fucked it up already. We are coming to the end of AGM 2024. Chloe, how do you feel?
Like I've done a lot of steps and I'm ready for some more beers.
Yeah, same. Cheers. Where's? Fuck, I'm going to slip.